The World Economic Forum, or WEF, is a non-profit platform founded in 1971. It does not pass laws, it does not sign treaties, it brings global power into one room. Heads of state, CEOs, central bankers, and institutions meet to shape narratives before policies were written elsewhere. WEF exists to set direction, not decisions. It aligns governments and corporations on global risks like growth, geopolitics, climate, and technology. What comes out is influence, access, and signal setting. This is soft power at scale. Davos is chosen by design, a small alpine town in Switzerland. Neutral politics, limited access, and long winters. Fewer distractions, repeated interactions, closed door conversations. Davos creates intensity and control. That is the advantage. In the 1990s, India came as an observer, talking reforms, IT services, and outsourcing. By the mid 2000s, India became a growth market. CEOs came looking at scale and consumption. India was discussed more than it spoke. Post 2015, India shifted posture from opportunity to strategy. Prime ministerial presence became central. India framed narratives on reforms, manufacturing, and stability. In the 2020s, India entered Davos as a system shaper. Supply chains, digital public infrastructure, climate transition, and global South leadership. WEF is not about applause, it's about positioning. India uses Davos to signal intent, policy continuity, and geopolitical balance. The forum does not run the world, it rehearses the script. Countries that prepare shape the outcome. Follow Chola Securities for more such updates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.